Collection before Welcome back to High Heels Collections. Before we dive into today's ultimate fashion journey, do not forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, comment your favorite shoe style and share this video with your friends who love stiletto heels, leather boots and stunning moles. Today we are not just exploring shoes, we are stepping into a world where every heel tells a story, every boot whispers elegance, and every mole revolves the personality of a confident woman. Imagine walking down a sunlight bluebird, the soft click of your stilettos choosing in rhythm with your heartbeat, driving glance not just at the shoes but at the grace, the poses, and the aura you carry with every step. Picture leather boots hanging your calves, reflecting the subtle sheen of winter sunlighting, perfectly balanced with the summer of accessories and the layers of your careful curtained outfits. Picture molds that slap on effortlessly, blending comfort and style so seamlessly that every step feels like a dance. Today we will journey through potato heels that elevate more than just height, leather boots that speak volumes about sophistication, and molds that define casual elegance. Along the way, you will learn how to choose the perfect heel for every occasion, how to pair colors with outfits to enhance your fashion statement, and how to maintain your footwear so it lasts latest seasons after season. We will explore daily wear, heels, party ready, stilettos, designers, collections, and future trends that are shaping the footwear world of 2025 and beyond. And while we take this journey, remember to engage with us by subscribing, commenting your thoughts, and sharing this video with your fashion friend. Friends, because your interactions fuels our passion to bring you the best in women's footwear fashion. Imagine stepping into our fashion shows where the runway is yours, and every heel, every boot, and every mole you wear tells the story of elegance, confidence, and individually. Visualize the soft pastel molds for spring days, the bold red stilettos that make you the center of attention, the metallic heels that swimmer under evening lights, and the crust embellished shoes that define luxury. We will guide you on how to walk gracefully in high heels, how to combine accessory with your shoes, and how to choose the right heel height so you never compromise comfort for style. Alongside these fashion tips, you will also discover seasonal, essential color physiology in footwear, styling hacks for parties and casual outings, and insider secrets from top designers. This is not just a video about shoes, it is a complete fashion experience.